How to redeem BJ's rewards. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem BJ's rewards. The first step is to open up any web browser and head over to bjs.com. Once you're over here, make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to explore the website and find the products that you want to purchase. Then click on the Add to Cart option and then click on Add to Cart again. As soon as you do that, the item will be added to your cart. Now click on this basket icon in order to open up your cart. As you can see over here, you have different details about your item. You have the order summary on the left hand side along with the estimated total. Click on the promotion code option if you have a promo code. Simply enter the code over here. Then click on the apply option. Now, if you have BJ's rewards, then there are many ways to redeem this as well. If you have any unexpired rewards when you visit BJ's restaurant or brew house, before paying the check, simply let your server know that you would like to redeem the rewards. When making qualifying purchase through BJ's website or mobile app, you can redeem any unexpired rewards you have by checking redeem on the reward when prompted in the checkout process. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.